today's Basenji adventure video, we leave Alpharetta, Georgia on our way to stay at a yurt in Blairsville, Georgia. Please be sure to like and subscribe.
Arriving to our yurt, and this has been quite a journey.
Yeah.
So we will see where we're going. Now we're taking
this baby uptown.
Lotus Bell. We're going. Oh! I hope we don't get stuck.
Coming down will be real fun. There it is.
There's the yurt.
Our home.
Guys, you ready? Let's look. Okay, guys. Ready?
Come on.
Oh, wow. Oh, they already have the fire. Oh, wow. Welcome. True time to breathe and relax.
Nice.
Oh,
This is amazing.
So cool.
It's just a tent. A tent with a bed in it. How cool.
It's so cool. Okay, so let's explore. Says, dear pup, welcome. May you enjoy a fun time here. Please remind your humans to pick up after you and keep bedding and furniture free, your fur, dirt, so all their money is for your treats, not extra cleaning fees. Thank you. Run, play, sniff, the forest gypsies. They left us treats. From us to you, enjoy the forest gypsies. Look.
Really cool. Wow.
Oh, we get to keep them up?
I don't know.
This is Blairsville, and what a quaint town. Wow.
Turn left on Merchants Walk.
It's a belly.
It's dinner time here in the yurt. The dogs are settled in to watch us eat gourmet pizza that looks like this. Whoa, nice.
And by a fireplace in a yurt.
Yeah. Yep, there's even a little fireplace there.
And this is what's for dessert. And chocolate chewy cookies.
Oh, yeah. It's party time here in the yurt. Our view from the bed. Just a pole with fairy lights. Here in the yurt.
And look at the babies.
We can kind of see the dogs. Got one over here. Got one right here. Kind of dark, but... Good night, all. Zinga getting his morning stretches.
Look at that face.
One of the most pampered Basenjis in the world right here. He loves it. And you do this every morning, don't you?
Because Mama does her stretches. So Puppy's got to get his stretches. And he loves it.
Yeah, he's got the life.
Do you see Miss Zulu over there? She has not gotten up yet. We're in a yurt. We're glamping.
All I see is an ear. Hi, Zulu. Your time for stretches.
This is Princess Zulu. Look at her in her yurt. Next to a dream pillow. Look at her. She's in her sloth blanket with her dream pillow. You're going to stretch. Stretch, little monkey. Yeah, you're so good. She went for it. That's Zinj. Zinj, look. Pampered pups. Easy. Easy. Go easy. Let's do this one. And get it. Did you get it from... It's cute.
This is one of the other areas you can stay in that's not a yurt, and it's pretty nice. A little deck out here.
Oh, the inside's nice. Get a picture.
Yeah, I'll get a picture of the inside. Well, let's go up by the front door here and see. There we go. Put it right up to the door. There we go. So now you can see what the inside of this one looks like. Pretty nice. And our yurt is way up there.
And look at the brook.
Yeah, there's a little babbling brook here. Are you guys going to use the outhouse? Well, it's not really an outhouse. This is actually a really nice bathroom here that they've provided. Look at you guys.
Zulu's waiting their turn to go in.
It's actually really nice. Let me zoom out here. There we go. Widen it up a little bit. So you got your basic amenities there. And then there's a first aid kit and some cleaning supplies. And then over here is an actual shower room.
Basenji's ready.
With full privacy.
Yeah, the light there.
And they've even got some ambiance up top. Oh, look at this. I just noticed. Exit way out.
Let's go over and look at the other one.
It is actually sleeting out. Let's get real quiet and let's hear the sleet hit the ground. That's cool. It's actually sleeting.
It's a Gulf Stream or
Airstream. Yeah, it'd be nice if it was a Gulf Stream. Let's see. Knock, knock. Anyone home? Nope. Let's go check it out. Wow. Quite cool.
Isn't it cool?
Yeah. You can peek in real quick. There's a bed back there.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
It is. Yeah, pretty neat.
Everything starts with a dream. Okay, Zinj, let's go.
Come on. Come on, buddy. Zinja, come.
Come on, Zinj.
Come on, buddy. Nice little.
Here, Miss Little Zinj. You don't have to be on rocks.
Nice saw.
Look at overlooking the forest. Yeah.
Oh, wow. Look. A Chewy box.
Somebody's coming.
What are the odds? I wonder if there's any avoderm in there. we keep finding pieces of mica here among the rocks. Yeah, it's so cool. It's like real flaky and flexible. And wait, where is the lens? There we go. It's actually semi-transparent too. It's very cool. It's all over the place up here. This is quite unique. It looks like it's got handcuffs on it so you can lock your lover to it. That's what I see here is his and hers, and you're locked to it. And then it's got the big key on top.
You're gonna lock you siblings together? Your 2 peas in a pod. I think there's a little flurries coming on you, Zulu.
We're getting a little snow flurry going on here. Zinga. Oh, hi.
On his black, I wonder if you like when it lands on
Yeah,
him.
maybe.
He's shivering.
He is, he's cold.
He's cold. I know, we don't have your coat on.
Florida dogs in 38-degree weather.
All right. Ready? Let's go.
Thanks again for joining us on our adventure here in Blairsville, Georgia. We hope you've enjoyed it, and if you have, please hit the like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.